Good morning, children. Welcome to my class. So we will continue lesson 8 articles in class 4. Okay. So today we are going to do exercise D. But before doing that, something I am going to teach you. Please see. When we talk about countries like India, Burma, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Nepal, we do not use an article. Okay, like the India, the Bangladesh, we don't use. Okay, like India is the second largest democracy in the world. India is the second largest democracy in the world. See, before India, we are not using the, we are not using a or an. So before countries like this, we don't use any article. Okay, Bangladesh is known for its famous Dhakai saris. So everyone knows. So before Bangladesh, we are not using any article. However, we use the when we talk about the countries, like the UK, like United Kingdom. Okay, the United Kingdom, the United States of America. Okay, the United States of America and the Republic of Ireland. Okay, so you see here, these are also countries. But the United Kingdom, we are going to use the before United Kingdoms. The before United States of America, the Republic of Ireland. Okay, so you have to keep this in mind. Where we use an article and where we don't use an article. You have to keep in mind this. Okay. So now let us do the exercise D. An article is missing in each line of this passage. Make a mark and write the missing article in the blank to complete this passage. So we are going to do, I am going to do this in a way like we can do it in fill in the blanks way. Okay, so the whole passage also will be there and it will be easy for you to pick out the article, which article we are putting. Okay, so let us do. You see here, let us start from here. Miss Kim, a famous detective, Miss Kim, a famous detective, was born in, afterwards I shall explain you, in the United Kingdom in 1960. Okay, she completed her studies in a university. You know, before university we use a, like Sherlock Holmes, the most famous detective, she loves to play a violin. Miss Kim has been working with an NGO for nearly 20 years. So please see, please follow children. Miss Kim, a famous detective. Before famous, we are going to insert A. Okay, a famous detective was born in the United Kingdom. Before United Kingdom, now only, just now I explained you that before United Kingdom we use the. Okay, the United Kingdom in 1960. She completed her studies in a university. University is starting with U, but we will use A because of the pronunciation. Y sound is coming, university. Okay, so in a university. Like Sherlock Holmes, the most famous detective, because here we are talking about Sherlock Holmes. So we are putting the. Like Sherlock Holmes, the most famous detective, she loves to play a violin. A violin. Okay, before violin we are going to use A. Miss Kim has been working with an NGO. Before NGO, why we are using an? It is starting with N because the pronunciation is coming of N, E-N, an NGO, okay, with an NGO for nearly 20 years. Once again, you please see. Miss Kim, a famous detective, was born in the United Kingdom in 1960. She completed her studies in a university. Like Sherlock Holmes, the most famous detective, she loves to play a violin. Miss Kim has been working with an NGO for nearly 20 years. So children, please note down this in your English language copies, okay? Thank you.